About 50 fishers in Black River, St. Elizabeth, who lost boats, equipment and materials during Hurricane Melissa have been unable to work as they are still trying to find money to repair their vessels. While the government has given some help, the fishers complain it's just a drop in the sea. Krista Campbell has their story.
We're going to come back soon, but when?
A question from fishermen that sits like a backdrop to scenes like these in Black River, St. Elizabeth. An empty fish market and even emptier seaside. The few fishers or news team spotted were busy repairing boats, engines, nets, pots and other equipment badly battered by Hurricane Melissa in October last year.
It's the house, we go straight over and go inside and full up the house. You see every engine in there, let me see, 14 engine in there. 14 engine and the 14 engine jam. Brand new engine and the whole end jam. Everyone, it's salt water going there and mash up every engine.
Vernal Ibanks says it cost some of the affected fishermen over $200,000 each to buy parts to repair the damaged engines. However, he fared a little better.
Thank God we fight and get one of the engines sorted out, complete, but we still have to work because we have to put food in our family and we can't sit down and wait.
He said out of the 100 pots he had out at sea when the hurricane struck, he only managed to recover one intact.
2 engine damage, boat seat tear out, we fight and fix back the boat by myself. The government come in and we get one roll of wire, that's it, nothing more.
Boat out of use, engine out of use. When you get one roll of wire, where are you going to do it now? You can't start off a one roll of wire with no boat, no engine. You go swim, go set them. Me tell the minister said it's not ready yet.
Walter James notes that only 5 fish pots can be made from one roll of wire. And what's worse, he says not all fishermen received the roll of wire from the fisheries division.
Nah, woman when I set pot and then sit there, I get wire. Man when I'm fishing, I get too much roll of wire. And fisherman now get it.
Rashawn Banton is one of the youngest fishermen in Black River, having only entered the trade 2 years ago. He says he has to be finding odd jobs to get funds to repair his boat so he can return to sea again.
I really was trying to build something to make some money for myself, but knowing that I recently started, I could only build. I haven't made a major profit yet. So what I made to build has been destroyed.
When the storm blow, me don't lift a straw and me love work. If me no work, me fret for me love money and me want money in my pocket.
I got a sailboat in the water, I did have to check with Lucy. So when the hurricane was really hit, I was in Lucy, take that boat around because if you go up the river and there's some child, you wonder if them go over the bridge or under, but up a broad water them there, for them back. So if I never move with that boat, I wouldn't have it now. When I come back, my channel got broken in pieces.
I bring some pot from sea, I leave 9 out there, I bring in 14. I better limit them stay out there. So when time I go and look on them over there, everybody mash up. My boat mash up, my 2 engine mash up. I have nothing to leave, but I'm all right. I have myself, so I will come back again.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.